Hi guys! This is the original published book or novel ng Grandmaster of Demonic Cultivation by Seven Seas. So this is volume 1. It has 5 volumes. So this is rated 17+, plus, so goods na siya for young adults onwards. So it's a danmei, meaning Chinese yung author niya. O diba, napaka-glossy ng pages niya for the illustrations. And then the pages itself naman, sobrang white. Ang ganda ng print ng text, not too small, hindi rin ganun kalaki. O, di ba, ang bongga ng illustrations niya. So, if you're a fan of Wei Wuxian and Lan Chan, this is a must-have. So, this is the volume 5. You have the option to buy the special edition. So, may mga additional inclusions siya. But if we're just after the book, eto siya. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo mga akla? Bili na. Sobrang ganda ng story nila, I swear. So, happy reading! Yun lang. Bye-bye!